U.S. Supreme Court Justice Amy Coney Barrett warned that hostile rhetoric can escalate into violence, pointing to the fatal shooting of conservative activist Charlie Kirk. Speaking in an interview with Hugh Hewitt, Barrett reflected on her new book, Listening to the Law, Reflections on the Court and Constitution, and discussed the importance of engaging with opposing viewpoints respectfully. Hewitt asked her about a section of the book addressing the challenge of sparring with intellectual opponents. "I think the other message in that passage is that when you do engage the other side, we're engaging ideas, and we're not trying to attack or tear down people," Barrett said. "And there's a huge difference between the two. And I think those who fall into attacking people primarily do it verbally and not physically. But too often, I guess we're now seeing that verbal attacks can spill over into something more sinister." The Supreme Court Justice expressed hope that the tragedy would mark a cultural shift. "I really hope that the assassination of Charlie Kirk is a turning point for us as a society, where we look and see where things have come, the point at which we've come to in the United States." Kirk, co-founder of Turning Point USA, was fatally shot on September 10 while speaking at Utah Valley University. He was 31. Police arrested 22-year-old Tyler Robinson, who now faces 7 charges including aggravated murder. Prosecutors have said they will pursue the death penalty. Barrett said Kirk exemplified civil discourse. "That's the opposite of what Charlie Kirk did. He consistently engaged the other side," she noted. She added that during a visit to the University of Notre Dame shortly after the killing, the campus atmosphere was very somber. Said Barrett, "For the father of 2 young children and a husband to be murdered in cold blood was a tragedy and certainly sobering for the nation. And I think it is a sign of a culture where political discourse is soured beyond control and something that we need to really pull back." Utah County Attorney Jeff Gray echoed those concerns at a press conference. "Charlie Kirk was murdered while engaging in one of our most sacred and cherished American rights, the bedrock of our democratic republic, the free exchange of ideas and a search for truth, understanding and a more perfect union," he said.